fortunes foretelling. And I feel the energy pulsing from the crowd. Yes, the force is very strong from this one. Oh, I'm getting a reading. I can sense that everybody here is very hot. Good, right. I had a premonition about the intense heat of the sun. SPF 50, everybody. And I see some numerals circling you. I see a 7, 7, 8, and spirits are telling me you should make an appointment with me to get that final number. I accept payment in golden coins, golden eggs, and of course, $2
Meow.
I sense I'm about to have a customer calling, and I can always tell who it is. Someone with heavy shoes, maybe clogs, a feline, some kind of cat. I know, it is cat in clogs! I mean Puss in clogs! I mean cat in boots!
Fear me, if you dare.
Okay, Puss in boots, alright, I fear you.
How many cats can wear boots?
Just you, I guess. And I've heard that you are the most daring swashbuckler in all of San Ricardo!
Greetings! The winds of fate have blown on my destiny.
And they have blown you right into me, Lady Luck. And I have heard tales. You get it? Tales! Because he is a... Guys, come on. Because he is a... Thank you. Tales of your fearsome exploits have reached far and wide. Stories that you are a master swordsman, a swashbuckling maestro, the cat with only one life left. Ah, yes, I know. You want the great and magnificent Lady Luck to foretell of what danger might lurk in your future. And of course I will help, but for a task as monumental as this, we will need their help. Alright, good people are far, far away. I'm looking for an assistant to help me with Puss in Boots on his final life. Now, does anyone feel the mystical energy pulsing through their veins today? Anybody out there want to help me? What about you, sweetheart? You want to help me? Alright, come on up. Let's give her a round of applause, everyone. Watch your step right over this way. Now tell me, what is your name? Don't tell me. Your name is Samantha. That's too bad, Samantha. Now, okay, here's what you need to do. You need to pick the card that Puss in Boots points to, and you will tell us of what is to come. Are you ready, Samantha? Are you ready, Puss? What about all of you? Are you all ready? Pick a card. Okay, hold this for me. The dagger of danger. Pick again. Quick. Okay, now hold this one. It's the flag of the shadows! And now, for the third card. What? Yes, I know there is only one card left. Sometimes life makes choices for you. Just pick the card. The final countdown! Oh no, things are not looking good for your final life. Thank you so much, sweetheart. Off you go. Thank you very much. Get out of here, quick! See a dagger, a black cat, and a duel! Oh, are you ready? Meow.
Did somebody say duel? Because Kitty is ready for action.
Pray for mercy from Puss in Boots.
Here it comes. A dagger, a black cat, and a duel! Am I gonna what you telling or what? Yeah! You see, a fight, a duel. Oh, wait a minute! I think I might have misread this.
What do you mean, magical person?
It's Lady Luck, thank you very much. And I thought this was the final countdown, the fight for your last life. But
That's magical fighting.
today, ouch, it is endless love. Look, it's a There is no imminent danger in your future, Puss, but there might be some love.
You are the love of my life.
Mi amor, Puss.
Oh, look, it's just like the girl. Love. All right, everyone. Let me see you clap
Que tu presencia me cambia la vida. Si estamos juntos, bonito se siente. La vida es una noticia, no. Quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura. Quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura.
That's right, team. Clap it up there.
Quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura. Hula, 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 quiero que muevas tu cintura, que la vida es una locura.
Come on, Shorty, you won't be glad. Loud in the back. Wasn't that fantastic? Please make sure you run off and let everybody know about the great